So welcome back everyone, Mike here. It is Thanksgiving morning and I have about an hour and 15 minutes to get as much done as I can. I don't have to, I just want to get something done here this morning because in a little bit we're going to run over to Melissa's mom and dad's for Thanksgiving dinner, and plus it's going to rain all afternoon. So I'd like to get something done here down at the wood yard. I'm going to split some wood and I need to finish up down on the lower wood yard. If you watched the last video or two, I got quite a bit of work done down here. I widened this all out. I dug a borrow pit down over that bank right there, and I put a bunch more fill over there. I need just a little bit more, spread that pile out and track everything in before it rains. And I mentioned the other day, this will loop all the way around, and then once I get these logs out of the way here, I can kind of blow a ramp down in on that side, and I'll have a nice loop down below there for storage. I may even, I don't know, we'll see how it shakes out. I may even start cutting wood down there, try to keep all the mess down in that area right there. But anyway, that's the plan here for the next hour and 15 minutes. So I better get busy. There goes some guy on, I think they call that a gyrocopter. I think that's what they call it. He's like going sideways. The wind's blowing so hard. Not for me. All right, I broke out the MS261. I use mostly the 500i, the 400, and occasionally the 261. I just sharpened that this morning, and man, it's really cutting good. Although, just about anything will blow through that maple pretty quick. All right, we're gonna fire up the splitter. Let her warm up for a minute. one maple cut and split pretty quick. As far as the status on the firewood bin, actually I'm going to call this the firewood bunker. I like that. That sounds better. The bunker's getting there. Definitely took a lot longer than I thought. However, you know, we come down here for an hour or two here and there. It wouldn't take long if you're able to work, you know, like 2 straight days or something on it. But we're definitely getting there. The other day I came in here with the tractor and the firewood bucket, got it all pushed back. I just have a little bit of room down in the back corners, not much. And I still have quite a bit, you know, that I can come out this way. So it holds a lot of wood. It does. But anyway, we better get started moving some dirt. I got about 35 minutes and I got to head up to the house. All right, I'm going to start off by just digging a little bit more shale here out of this pit. What I'm doing is kind of flip-flopping material. I take the good rock out of the ground and then put like the clay, topsoil, that kind of stuff back in, which doesn't hurt anything. Unless you wanted to build something down over this bank someday, you'd have to dig it all back out. But I got no plans of coming down over this hill here. And this is a lot cheaper and quicker than, you know, having somebody haul this shale in. Even around here now, like a load of shale is probably $350 or $400. It's crazy. Limestone is over $500 a load. I remember for years it was 220 bucks. I mean, like every load was within $10 of that, and then it just jumped. Now with fuel prices going up, it's even going to go up more. Probably already has. Down here I will get when this is done, I'll put a load of that number 3 rock down. Get a triax load of that. We'll be good. We mentioned the other day, Eva has her surgery next week. If you didn't see that video, she has Chiari malformation, and that's the same thing that Hannah had. And Hannah had the surgery 5 years ago. But what it is where the back of her brain droops into her brain stem, I guess it is. It causes pressure, headaches, all kind of stuff. But Eva is a real trooper. She is. And we'll be anxious to get that over with and get her feeling better. But she has to plan her day out for like all the headaches that she has every day. It'd be good to get that done. If you would like to send her a get well card, you can send it to Outdoors with the Morgans, P.O. Box 2140, and that is Cranberry Township, PA 16066. But man, does this thing dig. I'm telling you what. This is hard rock right here. I mean, it's not like solid sand rock, but this stuff is tight. And when you're digging down on it like this, it makes it difficult. That should get me going. All right, I need just a little bit of this about 50 feet behind me, so I'm going to just pull some back. Then I'll use the blade to push it the rest of the way. And we'll dress this all up, track it in. We'll be good to go. Yeah, right behind me there. Need about 6 to 8 inches. right, there you have it. 3 minutes to spare. Not too shabby for a rush job. This road needs fixed up a little bit, but I think you can get an idea what this will look like here. Come down around here. I'll have plenty of storage over there, you know, for logs, firewood baskets, things I don't use all the time. It can go over there, and eventually this will just loop right around and come up by the woodshed over there. Get a load or two of number 3 rock in here, be good to go. It doesn't always work out, but each day I like to try to get at least a little something done. Like today, you know, we're headed over to Melissa's mom and dad's. I'll probably eat a bunch of turkey and stuffing, take a big nap, and then around 7 o'clock this evening I'd be kind of disappointed if I didn't get anything done today. So I like coming down here whenever I have a few minutes to spare and at least get a little something done each day. But anyway, that's it for today's video. We really appreciate y'all being here, and like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.